What's up, guys? It's Martian Cubing. Today I have an unboxing from thecubicle.com. Alright, let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so I didn't get a blindfold. But that is not the purpose of this video. Alright. So here we have the Bell V2. I did get some D&M as well. And then here's the Plus Cube. And then finally, I have the Yushin 8 Petals Cube. Alright, so you're probably here for the Bell V2, so I'm going to go ahead and open that one up first. Alright, so we have the slide-away box with like a box inside. And right away I noticed we have the cube and then a screwdriver, which is here. It's actually pretty cool. I think it's for adjusting the magnets, which is actually pretty nice. Looks cool. And then that's just the cube. So right away I noticed that it's way more blocky than the original Bell one, and you can kind of see how on the edges are kind of smooth, and it's also way lighter. It's pretty insane. Alright, so let's do some first turns. Okay, so please do not judge my pyramid skills. I'm not that good, man. But I'm just going to compare this to the pyramid I have made for a while, the Bell V2. And just out of the box, it's way better. I find my turning on the Bell V2 is just unstable because I find the pieces collapse into the other pieces. But this is way more stable, but it's also really fast. And that's just, it feels dry. And then so I think the way you change the magnets is, I don't know if you can see this, but right here there's a little screwdriver, and then on one side it's pretty hard to tell. Let me see if I can move the light. You can see there's a little plus and a minus sign next to it, and it looks like you just rotate it towards the plus sign for stronger magnets, and it does a little click, and then rotate to the weaker side, the minus sign, for weaker ones. So yeah, so the magnet strength, it's lighter than the Bell V1, but overall it's actually pretty good. Like it feels like it actually is correcting my turning. Like it does seem to flex a bit when I'm like just holding it, but yeah, it's a great just from first impressions, it's a great cube, and I would highly recommend you get it. Alright, I'm going to move on to the 8 Petals Cube now. Get this stuff out of the way. Yeah, so this is actually smaller than what I was expecting. I was expecting like a bigger thing like the Moyu Ready Cube. But yeah, actually, I do know how to solve it. It seems pretty intuitive. But yeah, let's just get some first turns. Okay, so right out of the box, I don't know. It says it's magnetic, but it doesn't feel like it. Huh. It doesn't feel magnetic at all. Okay. Anyway. So actually, it actually feels pretty good. It kind of has that almost like Little Magic vibe, just because it's like light. You can kind of hear how it turns. Just like there's that kind of like hollow feeling. But yeah, it definitely feels great. I just don't feel magnets at all. I don't know if it is magnetic or not. Actually, I can kind of feel them, but I don't know. That's interesting. Okay, I've never actually solved this before, so I'm just going to do one really quick right now. It seems pretty intuitive. Yeah, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm probably going to watch a tutorial on how you do this, because I am pretty stuck right now. Okay, let's put that away. Now we have the plus cube. Alright, so I'm actually very excited for this one. Just because it looks very fun. Because it's like a cube you already know how to solve, but it like feels different. Why is I'm so bad at opening these? Oops. Okay. Okay, yeah. So this thing is like actually massive. Like I have the GTS 3 and it's that big. Like that's pretty insane. So I'm just gonna do some turns. Okay, I can tell right away this is gonna be fun. It actually turns extremely well. It's gonna take some time to get used to the size though. I think you'll definitely have to do some regrips on the bigger cube. But yeah, so let me bring it to the mic and you can hear how it sounds. Alright, so corner cutting, it's actually pretty good. And this is just dry. I haven't set it up in any way. But when you're turning it like a big cube, you're going to be turning slower. So you don't really need too much corner cutting. And honestly, with the big size, it doesn't even really feel like it needs magnets. Just okay, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll probably have a review coming out about the Bell V2 soon. And yeah, if you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.